What do we think?
This is going to be a bit of a challenge.
It's already looking like it. Alrighty, so Todd, what is this doing here?
We got to fix the transmission. I think he was a little rough on it. Plenty of room.
What do we think?
This is going to be a bit of a challenge.
It's already looking like it. So we put a 392 Police Interceptor Hemi in this 1990s Dodge van. It's back in the shop for some transmission work. This thing, if you've lived or live in Lincoln, Nebraska, and you've heard a rowdy white van, that was this one, folks. That was this one.
I'm going to have to go that way based on what
What's going on?
So we had to order a part for it. I don't remember. You have to ask Forrest what it was. So once we get that, then he's going to bring it back and we'll put it in for him.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know exactly. Yeah.
Okay, do we know what happened to it? Why the transmission's having issues?
I think is maybe even from when it was put together new, because the filter underneath of it was loose. So I think when it was bypassing the filter and it was sucking air.
Kind of skipping?
Yeah. So it was like jumping into neutral instead of like a passing gear.
Weird, okay.
Yeah. So.
Cool. And then it's coming back?
Probably next month, because the part wasn't going to be here until like May 3rd or something like that.
Okay. So it's drivable, he's just enjoying it.
Yep. Yeah.
What part did we end up ordering for that van and what's going on with it?
The shift solenoid A
Shift solenoid A, okay.
is not holding like it should. So every time you step down on it or go in second gear, it's bypassing fluid. So
Okay.
it needs replaced. It's easier to replace a valve body, the whole thing, because it's a valve pack. So being a trio valve pack, it's just can't buy them individually anymore.
Okay.
So you have to buy the whole thing. So
Okay.
it's easier just to buy it with a valve body.